I'm going to show you how to accompany Give Me Joy in My Heart. So we're going to break this down. I will do 2 bars at a time. Yeah. So the first chord is chord 1, and then chord 4. As I said, when you play chord 4 from the chord 1, you might play 4, 6, and the low 1. That's the second inversion. So you just do 1, 4. It's very easy. Yeah. So we'll play like that. Please watch my previous videos for the melody line. And the next one, I'm going to play chord 1, 5. Yeah, but when I play 5, I might use this. It's easier if you just hold your thumb, play 2, 7, like that. Some people might prefer to stretch 5 even further, like to play 5, 2, 5. Relatively easier. Yeah. So 1, 5. Change chord 5. Yeah. So you just need to remember the hand position. Hold your thumb on 5. Move your 2 lower finger down by 1 note each. Yeah. To put the whole verse phrase together. I'm going to repeat the very beginning 2 bar. Okay, and then we play chord 1, 5 again. 1, 5. 5, 1, but you want to end in 1. Yeah. So hopefully by this time you're already very familiar with chord 1, 4 and 1, 5 in C major. 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Yeah. So 4, you move the top 2 fingers up slightly, and 5, you move the bottom 2 fingers down slightly. So that's 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Yeah. So because it's a relatively cheerful piece, you might want to have a little bit syncopation on your accompaniment. Moving on, we're going to play the chorus. Here, I think we're just going to keep the rhythm relatively simple. Play 1 and 4 on the left hand. And then I play 5. From 4 to 5, you can do this. Or you can do that, either way. Maybe in this piece, I will move from 4 to 5 like this, because the melody goes up a tone each time. It's 5, 6, 7. It makes sense to move your left hand up. Yeah, and repeat. video, I'm going to show you how to play this piece on the organ. We will add the pedal board. Please follow me if you are interested.